This is a recipe video on how to make Italian sausage and bell peppers with Nuwave PIC Flex Pro. First, set the PIC to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and preheat the pan. Add oil to the pan when it's hot. Sear the sweet sausage until golden brown on each side. Sauté onion and bell peppers. Season with salt and pepper. Cover the pan with lid and cook about 4 minutes. When the cook is finished, plate sausage and bell peppers. Garnish with herbs. The Italian sausage and bell peppers are ready to serve. Enjoy!
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.